We are always involved in actions that we sometimes have to do with thinking and sometimes with no thinking. But did you know that these actions have two certain names to them? Let me introduce you to involuntary actions and reflex actions. Let me talk to you about voluntary actions first, as there isn't that much to talk about. Voluntary actions are actions that you have to think about in order to do, like speaking to a friend or writing a letter to your teacher. Reflex actions, also called involuntary actions, are actions that do not involve conscious thought or thinking time and happen very quickly to save your body from injury or damage. Some examples of reflex actions include the pupil of your eyes getting smaller when a flash of bright light hits your eyes, or your mouth getting watery when you get hungry and smell food. Let me give you a very simple example of how your body really reacts when it touches a hot plate. Here is a picture of a woman accidentally touching a hot plate. The hot plate is the change you feel, which is called the stimulus. Pain receptors in the skin are stimulated once you touch the stimulus. Then impulses are sent to the spinal cord along the fiber of a sensory nerve cell. A relay nerve cell in the spinal cord passes the message on to the brain. Then impulses from the brain are sent along the fiber of a motor nerve cell to a muscle. The muscle contracts and moves her hand away. This is her response to the stimulus. One nerve cell can actually have many synapses with other nerve cells, so lots of connections can be made. This is why you can respond in lots of ways to one stimulus. Along with moving your hand away from a hot plate, you might yell out in pain or even jump up and down. So that's it for today. Hope you learned something new today. Bye!